Montri bokrok Narendra Modi ni self-reliant Bharat senamna bagai haste hapang abo haikeno samwng khlai tongkha. Self-reliant senamna bagai hastewkha hamke naikulani nangnai industrial establishment ni phasing. Abono rwgwino laithanai bisini eba bisi thamrogo agorte wani sakha kaham samwng butang yako naharjaka. Swrang salo hotel polo tower ni forest and agro VanuChain devlopment ni sakha salbroni bagai achuglai mungno songsairwkha montri okra Dr.Manik saha industry te commerce ni beteko sangha jakmani achuglai mungo haste te fatar haste ni gobangna lukurok phai manjak phaiga montri okra te bosaka sini haste wkha kaisa naithotok haste laithanai July talo Tripura wa agor oat policy chengri disakha ar policy by haste wa agor oat sector rogo kaham no nukjakha.
Even Bangladesh is very nearby. You know, from the this tree, there are different kinds of trees we have, and from the bamboo has been shifted. Now it is not come under tree, so bamboo industry has been developed here, and because of to promote this agar sector, agar has been included in the list of trees for which felling permission from non-forest land is not required. Previously, it was this to cut or to take or to this felling permission had been taken from the forest department. But as because it is in the private land, it has these are grown, so that's why it is not taken the permission from the forest department. Then agar tree registration process also has been simplified. Very simple, because ease of doing, you know, our Honorable Prime Minister says, so in that line we are also making it very simple, and this quota for export of agar wood has been notified, what I already have said. Then what I earlier tried to tell you, that bamboo has been excluded for the requirement of transit permit for transportation throughout the state. Not only that, emphasis has been given over the past few years for plantation of commercially important bamboo species to enhance the resource base for proliferation of bamboo sector industry in the state. You will be glad to know that as because the bamboos are plenty, we have 29 types of bamboo in Tripura, and out of these some of them are very useful and they are very good in nature. So by using this bamboo, we have agarbatti sector in Tripura, and we have, besides this reduction of bamboo waste and development of other byproducts such as bamboo briquettes and activated charcoal, etc., has been developed here. Here, the Tripura Nature Trails and Resource Limited has been notified. I don't know whether they have come here. So to promote eco-tourism in the state of Tripura, and this company will help promote special tourism packages and improve the facilities at Shipaijola district and Gumuti wildlife sanctuaries. So the project element, regarding element also, it has been discussed here. The project element with the loan component of up to $172 million from the World Bank will give further impetus to the forestry sector in the state and boost the overall economic development of the people of the state. And for this, I want to thank you, the World Bank the specialist. It aims to reduce forest degradation by motivating communities to wisely manage forest resources and reduce the pressure of forest degradation from unsustainable resources use. Further,
Pandava Industry Trade Tang Betingni Montri Santana chakma sakha haste ni rubber wa agor abo hai haste rogo kahamno samwng ngnai phai tongnai sal rogo abono karibo anaros thaipungno tuyei kaisa samwng butangno songsa jakna bagwi nai tongkha aboni bagwi haste hapang kaham keno naikal tongkha industry ni samwng rokno Pandau koknarkha montri okra no karibo industry trade tang betingni okra naikonlai KS Shetty bolong tang betini okra naikonlai DG Jenar tei Bishwashori B Bureau Report Kokkhorang